Today we're looking at how you can use your thoracic spine Denneroll at home. The Denneroll allows for a gentle but effective stretch to correct abnormal curves through the mid-back and up into the neck. And this can assist in the relief of pain and muscle tension through the neck, the shoulders, and into the thoracic spine, as well as secondary positive effects such as that improvement in posture, allowing us to breathe deeper and easier. Your chiropractor will have determined which position to place the Denneroll in for you. However, for now, I'm going to show you a few common positions so you can follow on at home. So first of all, you want to find a spot that's reasonably firm but has a little bit of cushion. So a rug like this is perfect. If you're on your bed though, it's too soft, and I wouldn't do it on a hard surface like tiles. There's two positions we can place the thoracic orthotic, so depending on what you've been recommended for your chiropractor, follow along which one's suitable for you. The first one we're going to look at is the upper part of the back, and in that case you're going to have the tail towards your tail and this end towards where your head drops off. So first step, placing it in the right orientation. I like to first of all settle into the position where I feel I'm going to get the stretch from. And I'm aiming here for the upper part of my thoracic spine. And once I'm in that position, I'm just going to slowly lower my legs down. And then I'm going to let my head drop back to the ground and my arms back down to the floor like this. Now, if I was instructed to put it in the middle of my back, I'm just going to literally bring it just that down a little bit further once again. Knees bent to start with, just find that point that your chiropractor has recommended. And once you're there, slowly lower the legs flat once again, and then laying back over the top, arms out to the side. And finally, if you've been recommended that this needs to be used in the lower part of your thoracic spine, you're actually going to turn this around. So the tail is actually going to be pointing towards your head, and this end is going to be towards your hips. So with this one, it's a great stretch. Once again, knees bent, find the point that your chiropractor's recommended, and then slowly lower the legs flat, and then arching back, arms out, resting in that position. Now, an important key here is that when you're getting up off the orthotic, as you saw with that last one, roll off to the side. That's important because it can get quite uncomfortable if you just try and do a sit-up straight away.